Arif, Lisa, Adib.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, coming. Hey Adib, what's up?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm so. By the way, why are you late today?
There was a traffic jam on the road, that's why I'm late, sir.
Okay, there will be a parents' meeting tomorrow.
Sir, my parents are outside Dhaka.
Okay, give me your parents' mobile number.
My parents don't use mobile phone, sir.
That's strange. They do not use mobile phone. Okay, give me your address.
Sir, I don't know my address.
What? You don't know your address?
No, sir.
Oh, okay, I will talk to you later. Yesterday I will give you some homework. Show me your notebook. Show me your notebook.
Sir, yesterday I went to visit the National Zoo. That's why I couldn't do my homework.
What is important to you? Visiting the National Zoo or homework?
So visiting the National Zoo is more important for me.
Wait, I will show you visiting the National Zoo.